Okay, we're recording. Una,
Online. Live
hello.
na tayo. What up?
Yes. Sorry, sira
Hindi kita
camera
makita.
ko. Ako yan,
Lah,
pre.
ay ikaw ba 'to? Ang pogi mo. Dapat ata laging sira yung camera mo.
Hmm. Hmm.
Give me the strength.
Oh Lord, give me strength. Kamusta buhay?
Hindi, okay
It's been
naman.
some time since ulit tayo nag-episode. Anong ganap sa
Kailan tayo huli
mundo?
nag-upload? A few
Uh,
weeks. How many
like,
weeks?
like
Before Mania.
a week ago?
Oh, a week ago. Right. Tama, tama.
No. So, ano yung, what's been going on? Kasi alam ko, we,
Ikaw ba?
we talk behind the scenes. So, tell
Yeah.
me.
Most of
Ay,
the time kasi pag nag-uusap tayo, tara, Valo. Tara.
yeah. Pero
Yung
lately din,
pinag-uusapan natin.
nahihirapan na rin ako I mean, I'm pretty sure you're aware. Sige, I'll go first. Lately, eh, finals period na sa school, sa graduating, so dami ginagawa na inasikaso. Not just academically, pati paperwork and stuff, preparing. May, hinahanap na rin ng parents ko
Ever
yung
grade ako.
graduation. Tas,
Magna cum laude.
asa,
May
I
narinig
hope,
ba?
yes,
Hindi
meron.
ba?
I just,
Meron.
I just hope na mapag-graduate ako on time. Tapos, yun,
Ah.
it's been a grueling few weeks and mag-ease up naman na rin siya. It's easing up na nga rin actually. Pero, I just hope it's all, towards ano, the intended outcome. Go.
Worth it naman yan.
Sana.
Speaking of, I just got into NRMF. Magpi-PT ako. So, actually, I was expecting na sa screening process nila, mag-e-exam ako. Kasi syempre transfer ako, so I'm a new student dun sa university.
Mm-hmm.
Pero in-interview lang ako ng Dean ng Physical Therapy. And sabi niya, okay, okay na yun. Okay naman yung grades mo from my previous college. So, right now, I'm at the period nasa adjusting period na ako, na I'm getting back into the zone na magiging student ako ulit. And getting into the parang mindset ba na mag-healthcare ako. Kasi it's such a leap from IT tapos mag-healthcare. Parang ano sila
Polar
different
opposites.
polar opposites ng ng topic sa pag-aaral. So nandun ako sa transition ba from IT to physical therapy. Very excited. I'm very excited na mag-PT ako. Ang PT kasi related, kaya ako nag-PT, di ba? Ang gusto ko talagang kunin is fitness-related courses.
Mm-hmm.
Pero and the reason why I'm taking PT instead of fitness kasi it's related to fitness pero it has more opportunities work-wise. Kaya ako mag-PT.
Tsaka physical therapy is one of the things na I can name people that I know na nag-take ng medicine or anything related to health, ganun. Pero physical therapy, I don't know anyone. So I think you're serving a scarce parang aspect of health.
Workforce.
Uh, and I think you're doing this country a great service, sir. You are. Hindi mo kita pero I'm saluting right now. You
Sana.
are.
Yung pinsan ko kasi, she's a nurse. Medtech ata siya if I believe. And sinasabi niya na malaki daw yung demand ngayon for PT.
Hmm.
So medyo confident ako. Sana it's a confidence booster na hopefully maging maganda siyang jumping pad for my future kapag nag-PT ako.
I mean, ako kasi, well, when I first decided talaga, all my life naman or throughout high school, I was thinking,
Yes.
business, ganun, business, what kind of business, marketing, economics, ganun. Economics naman talaga first choice ko and then, syempre nagkaroon din ako ng doubts ko na, is this really what I want? Ganun. Pero, all that goes away naman once you step into your first class tapos you meet the people and then you see na they all have not naman necessarily the exact same goals as you pero parehas yung vision nila sa'yo in the sense na for example ako sa business economics everyone talk to me as if I was one of them. Parang, oh, we're all here out to do well in school, build our own empires in the future, ganun. So, I felt like I belong kasi dahil doon. Dahil I was with my people. Yun yung best way ko to ano. And I
Ako
hope
naman, I think yung pinaka-challenging lang na aspect for me in terms of social, yung social scenarios is the fact na mas matanda ako sa magiging classmates ko. Pero nung nakausap ko kasi yung dean nung department, medyo comforting yung sinabi niya sa akin. Meron daw mga, mas matanda pa sa akin who are starting out sa college.
okay naman.
Doon mo makikita na hindi hindi tayo pare-pareho ng timing.
Hmm. Timing ba? Hmm?
Oh, timing ba?
Ay, okay. That's a good update on life. Buti naman ano. I'm glad na we're doing things, big things coming up sa life. Very nice to hear. Ayan, that's nice.